Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another productive day in my life. I just got ready and I'm about to head to Starbucks. I am not going to be getting coffee or tea or anything caffeinated. I'm just getting hot chocolate because I have been off of caffeine for a while and I'm scared to go back. A few weeks ago I did another productive day in my life and that was the first day that I hadn't had coffee in a very long time, and so I had a super painful headache later, and it just scared me out of having caffeine because obviously my body was reliant on it. So yeah, I'm going to try to stay away from coffee or tea or caffeine or anything like that. But yeah, hot chocolate for me today. I'm also going to Starbucks to do a few of my devotionals and reflections and things like that, just to change it up, get out of the house. But yeah, let's go Starbucks. Hi guys, so I just got back home. It was a very fast, short little Starbucks visit. I didn't have that much time just because EJ needed to go to his chiropractor appointment and he needed to leave at 10:15, so I had to be home so that he could head out. So I'm going to finish up what I didn't get done, which is basically just my Bible reading and then planning for the rest of the week. And then hopefully I'll have some time before EJ gets back home to do the dishes and fold laundry so that when he gets home, I can just go straight to Target because I have a lot of restocking to do. But yeah, so we'll see how much I can get done. guys, so I am about to head home. I know I showed you guys my workout bag, and I had planned to go work out after working because I normally do, but a lot happened at work and I had to stay later than normal, so I don't have time to go to the gym. So I'm just going to head home now. Alrighty guys, that is going to be the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. That would really help me out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!